What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Erica from The In-Between, and my channel is all about helping you make money online without wasting time on the wrong stuff. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're watching this video, then chances are you've probably come across Maurice Kenny somewhere online talking about day trading and how he left his six-figure IT job to start pulling in $10K a month from trading stocks. He runs a course called the VIP Trading Program that claims to teach beginners and experienced traders how to build a full-time income using his coaching and trading strategies. So in this review, I'll break down everything from what Maurice teaches, what's actually inside the VIP Trading Program, how much it costs, what other people are saying about it online, and obviously whether or not day trading itself is really the best way to build consistent income online in 2025, or if there's a much better alternative like the method I personally use to make money online, which you can check out in the link in the description below. And just a quick disclaimer here, guys, I'm not affiliated with Maurice Kenny or his VIP trading program at all. This is all just my honest take based on my own experience, research, and what I found online from real students. With that being said, let's jump right in. All right, so the VIP Trading Program is a coaching created by Maurice Kenny, who used to be an IT director making over $100K a year before he left his corporate life behind and dove headfirst into trading stocks. Now he's all about teaching people how to day trade and build a legit income doing it in the process. Maurice says his method is different because it's built on mindset, psychology, and high-level strategies, not just signals or chart patterns. So he wants you to think like a full-time trader and basically turn it into your lifestyle. He even screens people before they're allowed to buy into the course, which he claims is to make sure they're a good fit. The training itself includes 10 weeks of one-on-one coaching, and there's also an 8-hour course that walks you through his day trading system, plus up to 10 personal calls with his coaches, although it is unclear how available those coaches actually are. You also get access to his private student support group, a class on trader psychology, and strategies for managing risk. But the thing is, there's no detailed course breakdown up front, so you do have to book a discovery call first just to find out how much it costs or what's really included. But from what I've seen, even students inside the course say that there's very little direct access to Maurice himself. So you might be paying for coaching and not actually getting much of it from the guy you signed up for. When it comes to Maurice's online rep, he's got about 20,000 subscribers on his public YouTube channel and about 17,000 followers on his Instagram page. And his website is also covered in student testimonials, as you can see here, all saying that the course changed their life or helped them hit $10,000 months. But when you head over to Trustpilot, the one-star reviews are brutal. Students say that the content is very overpriced and mostly recycled from his free book. One guy even said Maurice's trading strategy, the flatline support and delayed entry, is completely flawed and creates fake setups that just get eaten up by the market algorithms. Others claim that the supposed 70% win rate is totally made up and anyone using paper money could prove it wrong in a day. On top of that, many students say they never actually interact with Maurice himself. As I mentioned earlier, you're basically paying thousands of dollars and only hearing from his coaches, who apparently sound like they're winging it half the time. One student even said the psychology section was just one coach rambling through a copy-paste script, and when they asked legitimate questions, they got kicked out of the group altogether. And according to the BBB, some people echo the same complaints. A student dropped $7,500 and realized everything he teaches is already in his free book. They also shelled out another $2,500 for mindset coaching, which also turned out to be more recycled content. They also reported being kicked out of the group chat altogether after calling it out, and said 2 other students privately told them they had the same experience and claimed Maurice is a scammer, never shows up, and that his company should be shut down. Now, to get the exact price of the coaching, you will need to book a discovery call first, but many students online report paying up to $7,000 or higher. And keep in mind, guys, that's just to get in the program itself. If you actually want to trade as a business model, then you need to consider at least spending $3,000 to $5,000 funding your own trading account, because without your own capital, you're basically just watching charts for fun. So you're already looking at dropping $7,000 between the course, and that's before even factoring any additional losses you're probably going to take as you learn. Day trading as a business model demands constant attention information, money, fast decision making, and the ability to take losses without panicking. So unless you've got some serious disposable income, this probably isn't the best place to start. According to Tradeciety, only 1% of day traders are actually profitable after all of the fees involved. The other 99% either quit or end up losing major money, and 80% of new traders end up giving up within the first 2 years of starting, and only 7% last longer than 5 years. If you consider all of those numbers, it can be very brutal to start this business model, and if you think you're going to beat the odds just because you took a course with some slick marketing, then you're in for a rude wake-up call. Now, if you're like me and you'd much rather build something online that doesn't feel like a pressure cooker every day, then if you've been following me for a while now, you already know where I'm going with this. My alternative is always going to be the digital rental method, aka local lead generation. This model is what I personally do to make passive income without constantly watching the market or risking thousands of dollars. Basically, you build simple websites that rank to the top of Google for local service niches. Think anything like tree removal, pressure washing, or even fencing repair in my case. Anytime somebody in that area searches for that service, they call the number listed on the site, and the lead goes directly to real local businesses in that area. And the best part is that business pays you every single month just to keep all of the calls coming in as a middleman. So you're not selling any products or trading stocks. You're simply connecting people with a service they already need to business owners who need more customers. For example, I've had this fencing repair site in Colorado Springs running for about 2 years now, and it still continues to bring me money in every single month without having to touch the site. No calls to make, no charts to read, no losing sleep over price dips, just digital assets doing the work for me 24/7. And unlike trading, this model doesn't require thousands of dollars to start. It's low competition, low stress, and way more scalable because you're working with high demand local markets where people aren't competing like crazy. Plus, once your sites are up and ranking, they're basically digital real estate that keeps paying you month after month. You're not chasing daily wins, you're simply building long-term income. And if you ask me, guys, that's what actually frees you from a 9 to 5, not risking your savings trying to time the market. All right, guys, that wraps up my review of the VIP trading program by Maurice Kenny. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next breakdown just like this. And if you're ready to start something online that's actually low risk and high reward, go ahead and check out the link in the description to learn more about how I make money online with the digital rental method. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.